Have you ever wondered how our solar system came to be? How chaos turned into order and darkness gave birth to light? In this journey, we'll uncover the birth of the sun and reveal the secrets of the planets that dance around it. Welcome to Cosmotrek. At the beginning of time, there was nothing, no light, no darkness, no planets, no stars, only an infinite silence. Until one day, that silence shattered, and a star was born. Around 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust, a nebula, began to collapse in on itself. That collapse triggered a miracle. Gravity pulled every particle inward, compressed them, heated them, and eventually, a glowing sphere emerged, the sun. The sun is more than just light, it is the source of life. And around it, a new system began to form. The dance of the planets begins. Mercury, closest to the sun, but not the hottest. Temperature difference between night and day 600 degrees. No real atmosphere, only silence. Venus, Earth's dark twin, beautiful yet deadly. Acid rain, thick carbon dioxide, crushing pressure, it spins backwards. Time flows differently. Earth, our blue planet, the only place we know with life. The moon keeps it balanced. Its magnetic field shields us from deadly rays. Mars, the red planet, dry, cold. But ancient rivers once carved its surface. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. Jupiter, the king of giants, so massive, it could fit all other planets inside. The great red spot, a storm raging for centuries. Over 90 moons orbit its vast presence. Saturn, a cosmic jewel, its rings made of ice, rock, and dust. Titan, its largest moon, may hold signs of life. Uranus spins almost on its side. Cold, distant, rich in methane. Its tilt a mystery. Neptune, the farthest guardian. Home to the fastest winds, 2,100 kilometers per hour. Each planet plays a role. This system is not a coincidence. It is balance forged over eons. We live on a tiny pale dot. But that dot is part of a cosmic story. And this story is just beginning. From dust and fire to planets and life, our solar system is more than a cluster of worlds. It's a living, evolving story, written in stardust and silence. And this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Cosmotrek for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.